Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Juan Ángel Manuel Ramírez, soy del grupo 380 y en este video vamos a hablar sobre el psicólogo Erikson. Entonces empezamos. One of the greatest psychology that I have been able to listen to throughout my studies was the great Erikson. He was an American psychologist who developed a theory on personality development. He started from Freud's theory, but the moved away, considering that cultural factors are what determine personality. For Erikson, crises are necessary processes that lead to evolution and change, and overcoming them correctly leads us to a healthy mind and full. Erikson points out that the transit through life is made up of 8 ages or cycles, and that each of these is marked by a specific conflict, which are trust versus distrust, autonomy versus shame and doubt, initiative versus blame, industry versus inferiority, identity exploration versus dissemination of identity, privacy versus isolation, generativity versus stagnation, ego integrity versus despair. This theory was a revolutionary proposal and still accepted since they adequately explain the change and evolution that the human being has when facing one of these crises. For Erikson, at each stage, new skills are acquired. For these, boys or girls must socialize and develop their identity. Muchas gracias por su atención.